Once you've done the necessary adjustments to the logo and the background colors to make sure it fits your color motif, you're now ready to actually go ahead and start creating the individual pages. Now, in order to do this, you just simply click on the page that you would like to work on. So in this particular case, we're going to go to the home page, and we're starting to look at the various options that we have available to us. On the middle section of your site here is where you're going to be able to find the different functions that are available to you. When you first look at the home page, you'll actually see that this information here that's currently sitting in the simulator is actually something that's automatically generated to provide you a reference, and that falls into the Edit Promotions HTML code activity here. You can either choose to leave this on or simply delete it when you start creating the page, and I oftentimes delete it just to make sure that we get things working properly. Okay, we're ready to start working on the home page here. A couple things that you can do is that we show basically the page details, which you really will not do much in that. But as you click the add items, this will actually show you all the different functionalities that you have for the particular page. And I'll take a few moments to look at both of these. As you click on title here, simply you can have a title of the page if you so choose, then you just simply activate it. But to look at different things, you just simply click on the bar, and that'll provide you the option of the different function available to you. Add a promotional HTML code. Essentially what it amounts to is you can grab in Google Maps, you can pull in programs that will actually allow you to opt in to different programs, and that's essentially based on just simply grabbing code and just simply pasting it in here. Once it's in place, you just simply activate it and away you go. The next one here is rich text content, and what this really allows us to do is just kind of be able to come in, and in this particular case you can simply come in and type in the text, and you can certainly play around with it. You can make it much bigger. You can actually play around with the different colors available to it, giving you lots of different options available. So that's what rich text content does. And once again, as you're ready, you just go ahead and hit activate. The next feature below that is the YouTube video. Now what this allows you to do is go to any YouTube video and click on the share button and grab that code and actually come over and embed it right into here. The one thing that we suggest is that in order to avoid any additional commercials, go ahead and click on the disallow the YouTube recommendation. To show you how this is done, I'll simply go grab something off of my YouTube page. It's really excuse me, it's really quite an easy process. Simply go to YouTube, and I'm going to go to my YouTube account, and I'm going to go ahead, in this particular case, is grab this video right here. So as the video is playing, what you can simply do is go ahead and click on the share button. When the share button comes up, just simply copy this, and then go ahead, and you now can go ahead and go back to the site. And in the YouTube video here, simply go ahead and paste this in and click on disallow so you don't get the extra commercials, and you now will activate it, and you will now have a video. And at this time, I'm going to go ahead and actually show you how that will be presented and available to you immediately right on the site. The next thing, as we look at the additional opportunities or functionality of the site, is graphic image. What you're able to do is just go in and grab any graphic image you so choose out of your file, pull it in, and activate it. Once it is in there, you will be able to go ahead and adjust the actual size. The next function is add a document. And essentially, once again, you can go in and grab a JPEG or whatever you so choose here and upload it and have it available for people to look at. Once again, a very simple process. The next thing is a contact us form. It's not going to get any easier for this because all you simply need to do is type in a title and then essentially click yes, and a contact us form will automatically appear right on your page for you. The delivery of this of the email that's generated by the contact form will go directly back to the person's email that's been registered when the account has been created. So if you've got a different email that you want to use, simply go back into the administration point and you're all ready to go. Okay, social network icons. Essentially what it amounts to is, and we'll do it here, is that if you want to put in have a very simple process, just simply click yes and hit submit. In this particular case here, as we scroll down on the page, you'll see that we've got the icons right here, and above this is that simple little contact us form that I talked about previously. Okay, as we come back to this, we're going to talk about additional things here, a few remaining things that we have. A Google map. If you've created the account yourself, literally doing Google map is simply as easy as putting yes, putting a title to it, and it'll automatically generate based on your location that you typed in previously. That's what will pull up on the Google map. We also have the ability to go ahead and add V-cards, a very simple and unique way of garnering information from clients and also sharing your information with them as well. The last thing I wanted to show you here is really this kind of a simple factor. At the bottom you'll see click to adjust item display order. When you click this simply allows you to go ahead and change the content or the order by which things appear on the site. As we look at the site at this particular time, we have a video at the top, we have a contact us form, and we have these social media icons and telephone and email stuff, touchpads right here. What I want to be able to do is move these touchpads to the top of the page. And to show you how easy this is, you just simply come in and click on social. We're going to move it right to the top, drag it to the top. We're going to hit submit. And as you will see immediately on your site that it's now at the top of the page. Those are the basic functionality and simplicity of it. But what you will do is simply use these functions to actually provide or update your site page as you so choose. Just the primary thing to remember is that make sure that you click on the page that you're editing, and you can go ahead and start using all the different functionalities for each individual page.